So guys, guess what? I'm gonna give you 6 seconds to guess. So, you know how I've wanted, guys, I'm gonna give you a hint. I've wanted this thing for freaking about 10 years. 2 more years, and if I don't get 2 more years, it's gonna be a decade, 1 whole decade. I've wanted a box fan for 8 whole years. I wanted a Lasko box fan. I think it was a Lasko or something like that box fan for 8 whole years. So we checked Amazon, and my homies. Well, it's actually my Lasko box fan is arriving tomorrow. It's actually going to arrive tomorrow. I think it's arriving tomorrow. If it doesn't, then I'm just gonna make another video, because either way, I'm going to make another video when I get it. If I don't get it, I'll just make a video. Either way, I'll be making a video about the box fan tomorrow. If it does show up, then I'll be making a video of me unboxing it. If it doesn't, then I'll be making a video of me saying the box fan has been canceled and it's not coming. So yeah, guys, just want to keep you updated about the box fan. And I'm gonna do an unboxing video with you guys tomorrow, or maybe I might not even do a box. I don't know, guys. We'll see what comes. So, guys, as you know, I'm not that excited. Not that excited, really. Yeah, because there is a good chance it might not be coming. It has been. I never gotten a box fan. I was 4 years old when I first wanted a box fan, and once I turned 12, I was